That's part of our hobby. And this year, we selected a doctor.
Go, Caitlyn! Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day, Caitlyn.
She's gonna...
The LGBTQ community, I want to thank you for everything you've done for us. We're working on it.
I'm gonna move the card back.
Happy Father's Day!
Alright, he's not around.
Oh, precious.
She's just a puppy.
Just a puppy. What's her name?
Bertha.
Bertha!
Hey guys!
You guys?
Hey guys,
Move forward, please. Got a car coming through, please.
thank you guys.
Caitlyn, Caitlyn.
Wait, where's the dog? You have the puppy with you. So have you ever won a prize before? only made of metal.
First of all, Bruce, when I bought this car, I text you and you figured out what it was by only little pieces of the car. And then you told me after that, I said, come on, when I get it done, I'm going to take you for a ride. And you denied the ride. You said, no, I cannot be seen in a bug-eyed Sprite. I know you're Bruce Meyer, Beverly Hills, the best garage in town. But now that I'm an award winner with the car,
Yeah, finally.
will you
finally.
drive in the car with me? Yay! Okay, that's it. It's a deal.
She's finally won an award. Oh, wait a minute. She's finally won an award that wasn't made of precious metal. Let's put it that way.
When I was 15 years old, my dad taught me to drive in a 1960 Austin Healey bug-eyed Sprite. You know, the first time in the parking lot with, you know, the first time with a clutch, and you know how that goes.
Yeah.
And like any good 15-year-old, I did sneak it out on a few occasions. Never got caught and never did any damage. On my 16th birthday, I'm so excited that I can finally go down and get my license and then finally drive the bug-eye legally on the street. I come home from getting my license and the bug-eye was not in the car or in the garage. And I go, Dad, where's the bug-eye? And he said, I sold it this morning. Oh. I cried. I literally cried. And so for 50 years, I've always thought of my dad when I thought of a bug-eyed Sprite. So if you noticed on the back of the car, it says Dad's car. World War II veteran, buried at Arlington. Great man.
Great tribute on Father's Day. That's a great story. Thank you and congratulations. Thank you. The Carol Shelby Award, Most Sporting.
Welcome everybody to Concourse on Rodeo Drive.
Yay!
We're having an incredible Father's Day. Day.
Yeah.
I want to please have my colleagues come up with me. Come on up, Caitlyn.
Yay,
She's showing her incredible car, and she brought her puppy with us too, so it's very, very special. Have a terrific day, the best Father's Day, the best Sunday on Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. We welcome you. Enjoy our city.